So, as I was saying in the last video, we will go around topics about shell, about navigation, about manipulating files, and familiarizing with commands, but also using permissions for files. And it's actually the whole DevOps operations or system engineering. But for the first topic, let's go and check about what is shell. So people tend to confuse shell, terminal, bash, console, command line interface, or whatever. But today, then I will tell you exactly what is shell. Normally shell, at first it was like it was a scripting language, right? I can't say it was, but it is a scripting language which helps people to take input from the keyboard or to take commands from the keyboard, then to send those commands to the operating system. Then the operating system will perform some tasks. For example, if you want to move something from a directory to another, then you write a command, a shell script, which will be executed by the shell. Then it will be performed by the operating system. It's also a program because it interacts with the operating system which is also a program. So a scripting language and which performs some script, it's a program because also it interacts with the other program, which is an operating system. So you can say also that it's a command line interpreter, or which interpret the commands you are typing from the keyboard. And also it is used inside the Unix like operating systems, because as today, as I said, the majority of computers or servers in data centers and clouds, they are using Linux based operating systems, Unix based operating system. So you know that you will be using, if you want to be a system engineer, or if you want to be a server administrator, or if you want to be a cloud engineer, you need to have skills in scripting, in shell scripting. So you need to learn Unix shell, because this is a skill which will help you one day, and better master it before, so that you can be able to have to be skilled, and then do whatever you want. So some popular shell. So for the first time, the first Unix shell was invented by the man who is called Thompson shell, right? The Thompson shell was created by the man who is called Ken Thompson, and the man Ken Thompson invented the shell, the Thompson shell, at the Bell Labs. Bell Labs is a big laboratory which was from where too many innovations came from. For example, the C programming language come from there, and other Unix system come from there. So too many languages or too many innovations like are coming from the Bell laboratory. So after that shell, we had also the other, which is called bound shell. Bound shell was invented by Stefan, and that one was the advanced version of the shell which was created by Ken Thompson. So he added some performance and he tried to improve the shell which were there. Then he created another one, and which is more popular. But also the other one which is popular is the C shell. C shell was written by a man which is called who is called Bill Joy. He was a student and he wanted to create something for research. Then he did it. But also, that shell was in the distribution which was the first popular Unix distribution at that time, which was called BSD Unix. And this project was actually created, or this distribution came from the first distribution, which was the first Unix system. And yeah, so if you want to know more about it and too many details, because I want to do a summary so that I don't go deep into things, and I want to go into the necessary things, right? So if you want to go deep, then go and read and read and read. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hope that you will share the video and you will get some knowledge. Encourage me, and maybe I can have the strength to continue and do other videos. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.